So I have a 2019 Toyota RAV4 that only has wired Apple CarPlay, and this is frustrating to me as I use an Android phone and I'm looking to use Android Auto in my vehicle. And not only that, I'd like to use Android Auto, but in wireless mode as well. So in my search, I came across this. This is the Ottocast Play2Video Pro all-in-one multimedia adapter, and this saved the day. Now, of course, if you are interested in the Play2Video Pro, I have it linked below in the description so you can pick one up for yourself or head on over to the manufacturer's website to check out compatibility with your vehicle. So on the box here again, this is the Ottocast Play2Video Pro all-in-one multimedia adapter. And in the box, of course, you'll find the user manual and 2 connection cables. These are both about 12 inches in length. And one of them is USB-C to USB-C, and the other one is USB-A to USB-C, just depending on what kind of connection you have in your vehicle. And of course, it comes with the multimedia adapter. This says Ottocast here on the top with kind of a shiny background. It has venting on both sides to help keep it cool. It's also got a USB-C port for connecting it to your vehicle with one of the included cables. The other side has a USB-A port for plugging in a thumb drive to have access to your own media files. And if you're wondering about the size, it's 3.15 inches by 1.77 inches by 0.39 inches. Now in my car, setup was a breeze. I just plugged the USB cable into the designated spot on my dashboard, and then on the other end, I plugged it into the Play2Video Pro. Now when I start up my car, it found the Ottocast as an Apple CarPlay device and gave me a whole new screen of options. It takes about 30 seconds in my vehicle to load up. So on my main screen, this is running as an Android device. I can connect it to an internet connection. So whether that's my house, if I'm at home, or a hotspot on my phone, it will give me access to things like YouTube, Netflix, and even Spotify, plus some other handy apps. Now I should mention that if you're playing videos on your screen, make sure you're following your local regulations and not breaking any rules. But it's really cool that I can now load videos in here and watch them on my screen. It also has all sorts of settings for customization. Now from here, the feature that I was specifically looking for is wireless Android Auto, and my vehicle does not have that. Now, of course, if you're using an Apple device, you can connect to CarPlay. This Ottocast will detect what type of device you're using and give you the correct option. But for me, wireless Android Auto was what I was after. So if I select the Android Auto option and then connect it with the Bluetooth on my phone, which I only have to do manually the first time, then it's automatic after that, it will load up wireless Android Auto, and it takes about 20 seconds to load up from the main screen. It looks exactly like Android Auto on our other vehicle, which is a Honda. It functions exactly in the same way, giving me access to Google Maps. I can listen to audio with apps like Spotify. Plus it gives me access to all my other Android Auto applications. And with my testing, the phone calls have functioned properly with all the built-in audio systems in our vehicle. So if you're looking to add wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to your vehicle, plus a host of other features like Netflix and YouTube to your car's interface, the Ottocast Play2Video Pro might be the perfect option for you. It was able to upgrade our vehicle and give me all the features I was specifically looking for in our dashboard. So I hope this quick look at the Ottocast adapter gave you value. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.